Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage, and we're delighted to be able to offer this absolutely stunning MG Midget. It's the round wheel arch version, very late chrome bumper model, previously sold by ourselves, come back to us from a very caring owner who's used and enjoyed the car and gradually improved it over time. So as you can see, sat on a set of mini light style alloy wheels, which are near new, as are the tyres. It's recently had a full Maniflow exhaust system, I have to say, just make it sound superb. Car's been completely rebuilt on a heritage body shell, so no rot or issues anywhere. Standard of finish is extremely high. Paintwork is really lovely, bright, glossy, real deep finish to it. As you'd expect from a heritage shell, the panel fit is all really good. Damask red really suits the lines of the Midget as well. Really is a credit to the last owner. He's really cherished the car, and as you can see, it's been garaged, it's not been valeted, it's literally arrived looking like this. Got to be one of the best, I would say, on offer. The car's been used regularly, run down to Goodwood a couple of times. The interior's been retrimmed, bespoke finish on the seat covers. It's really attractive diamond quilted pattern, picked out in tan. Hood is good, no rips or tears. Finish in the boot is all good, little short tonneau cover there, fire extinguisher and jack. It's ticking over beautifully. Oil pressure's good. So there you have it. All in all, a really stunning example. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a better one. Any questions at all, please do, as usual, get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.